Meanwhile, a series of key corporate earnings reports to be released this week looks to set the tone for both the local bourse and that on Wall Street. Our Ju-yeon explains.
Wall Street and the local stock market are bracing for a wild ride this week, with earnings report due from major U.S. big tech firms and SK hynix. Four major tech giants are set to report their results this week. Microsoft and Meta lead off with their results after market close on Wednesday, followed by Apple and Amazon on Thursday. Wall Street forecasts show that most of these four so-called Magnificent Seven giants are expected to post revenue and earnings per share, or EPS, estimates that meet or beat the same quarter last year. For Microsoft's upcoming fiscal fourth quarter results, analysts expect diluted EPS of $4.24 on revenue of approximately $87.6 billion. On the same day, Meta Platforms is expected to report its fiscal second quarter results, with consensus EPS estimates clustering around $7.19 and revenue projected near $60.3 billion. The following day, Apple is scheduled to report its fiscal third quarter results, with analysts expecting revenue near $109 billion and diluted EPS of $1.89. For Amazon, consensus expects total second quarter revenue of approximately $196 billion, with EPS projected at around $1.82. Analysts stress that along with top-line revenue, profitability also matters. In the case of Alphabet, despite strong earnings, its stock fell last week due to heavy spending, putting the focus on the cost of AI.
Even if earnings turn out well, it ultimately comes down to profitability. Last quarter, stocks dropped sharply after results came out because margins fell short, so we're expecting a similar trend this time around.
However, as the recent drop in semiconductor stocks reflects market uncertainty and downside risks are mostly priced in, analysts expect a rebound to be more likely than a further fall.
This time, if earnings come out strong, ongoing expectations around fundamentals will likely drive a rebound.
On the domestic front, SK hynix is set to report its second quarter earnings on Wednesday. Analysts project second quarter operating profit to top 64 trillion won, or around $43 billion, up nearly 600% year-on-year. Meanwhile, the benchmark Kospi lost ground on Tuesday as the global chipmaker sell-off deepened. Attentions are on the semiconductor earnings to see if they can shift market momentum. Ju-yeon, Arirang News.